If you're trying to unlock Premier Mode in Counter-Strike 2 and wondering why it's still locked, don't worry. Here's exactly what you need to do. Step 1, you need Prime status. This is a paid upgrade on Steam, usually around $15. Just head to CS2 Steam page and buy Prime. It links to your account and unlocks exclusive features like Premier Matchmaking. Step 2, you need to reach profile level 10. That means you gotta earn XP by playing modes like casual, deathmatch, or arms race. You don't need to win, just play and level up. Hitting level 10 usually takes around 20 to 70 hours, depending on how often you play. Step 3, once you have Prime and you've hit level 10, Premier Mode will unlock. You'll then need to play 10 placement matches in Premier Mode. Once you complete them and ideally win most of them, you'll get your CS rating, which is like your official skill level. And that's it. So to recap, by Prime status, reach profile level 10, play 10 Premier placement matches. Once you've done that, you're in. You'll unlock the full Premier experience, map bans, MR12 format, and the CS rating leaderboard.